In our class, we will practice, first of all, alphabet. So I will ask the students to set up the alphabet using these blocks. So we'll ask them to make A, B, C, D, E, F, G. This is good practice because many students do not learn the alphabet very well in school. So we want to practice it every lesson. Then, after setting up the alphabet, we will practice some phonics sounds. For example, this letter is A. We will also practice the vowel sounds, such as A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, A. And I will remind them using the words that start with those letters. For example, A, apple. E, egg. I, igloo. O, orange. Umbrella. These vowels are important because they go in the middle. If I make a word like this, T, these are called CVC words, consonant, vowel, consonant words. And I will practice like this. Without this one, I will practice at. Then I will add another letter, pat, pat. Mostly the students can do the two letters a bit better. Adding the first letter takes a bit of practice, but this is what we will practice in every lesson. We can practice this one with all the vowels. For example, we can do with you, t, ut, p, put, put. So that's what the CVC phonics practice we will do. This is usually enough for K2 and K3 students. Most of them cannot do more, and it is not necessary, but it will be very, very helpful. We may sometimes look at books because we can practice the sounds. These books are very good because each book focuses on 4 sounds and usually 1 vowel. So 3 consonants and 1 vowel. And they can practice looking at new words, even if they don't know them, but they can see the picture and talk about the picture. So the books are very good for them. For example, sun, hat. And we can practice the different words that start with different letters. So these books are very, very useful. It is very useful if you read with your child. It is extremely helpful. We will usually do a worksheet like this from time to time. For example, hat, and that's a hat, and ask them to write it there. So every week I will, or at least every other week, I will try to do a worksheet like this in the phonics class so they can practice some phonics. And you can see there are many other sounds, like I, some focus on I, some focus on A, E, I, O, U. So there's a set for every vowel sound. So that's what we study in the class.